Hi all, in this video we will check the basic debugging steps available in blueprism. So first I have opened one process. This is a circular process which checks the future date. So in this process we can check how the debugging steps works. So in this page we have a start node and end node, and we have two pages, page 1 and future date page, and a different process, process 1. So by right clicking on any stage we can have these different debugging steps: breakpoint, set breakpoint condition, run to this stage, and set next stage. So first we will check the set next stage. So this is the set next stage. Upon clicking that, you can see the page 1 stage is highlighted. And if you click another stage, another page, future date, and right click and click on next stage, now future date stage is highlighted. So this set next stage is used to start a process in between any is to select any page or stage and start from there. So if I select the page 1 and click on set next stage, I can run the process from the page 1. See, it will start from the page 1 process and it will complete. And if I select a different page, like we can say future date, and select set next stage, and we can run the process from there, from the future date page. So set next stage is used to highlight or select a specific stage. And next we can look into the different debugging steps. One is step in, step over, and step out. So if you want to skip a specific part of a process and want to continue from a specific part, like we can say I have to avoid this start and page 1 stage from this process and start from the future date for debugging purposes. I have to select set next stage and have three options. In the leftmost top corner, I have step, step over, and step out. First, we will check about stepping. So if I click step in, it will enter into the page and will highlight the start node of that page. So again, if I click the start, it will go into the next stage, that is calculation stage. And if I click again, it will complete the calculation stage and will go to the end stage. So step in processes or execute each and every step in a page or process. So if a page or process is coming across in its path, it will step in, it will enter into that page or process and will execute each and every step in that page or process. So next we will check out step over. So the step over will execute all the processes inside a page or process, but it will not go inside a page or process, but it will execute the entire process in a page. We can check that here. I have selected start stage and selected next stage, and I am clicking step over. So it is now in page 1. There is no other processes or uh, in processes in the start stage. So now it is in page 1. So inside page 1 we have some process, but it will not go directly inside the page 1. Instead, it will execute all the processes or stages inside page 1, and it will go into the next stage in the current page. So upon clicking step 1, it have now entered into future date page. But if we click step in page 1, it will enter into the page 1, and we can see each and every stage or step inside the page 1. Now we will check step out. So I have reset the process. Now again clicking set next stage, and in the left top we can see the step out. So if I click step out, we can see what's happening. So I have just clicked step out. Now the highlighted stage is the end stage in the main page. So the step out will execute all the processes in a page and will go into the end page. So it will not go directly inside a page or inside a process, but it will execute all the stages, all the processes in a page and will go into the end page. So next one is breakpoint. So we can set a breakpoint at any page or any stage in a process. So right now I am setting a breakpoint in the future date page, and I have to start this process from the start node. So I have selected set next stage, and I am going to click step out. So you will be remembering what step out did in the last time when we checked the step out. So upon clicking step out, it executed all the processes and all the pages, and it came into end stage. So after selecting a breakpoint in the future date page, let's see what's happening upon a set step out debugging mode. So I have clicked step out. You see it reached until this breakpoint, and the breakpoint is have been highlighted. So this breakpoint will be effective only if the process is open. These breakpoints will not do any effect in the production. So these are the basic debugging steps available in blueprism. Thank you.